Good morning, Ragnarok Ready family. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Mira's VK 530 smoke and carbon monoxide filters. These things are pretty neat. They can protect against smoke, industrial chemicals, and particulates. They can be used in environments with as little as 19.5% oxygen, and they can provide up to 15 minutes of protection against carbon monoxide. They also have a 5-year shelf life. So, without further ado, let's do the unboxing, shall we? I picked up 2 of these. They're relatively expensive, so I couldn't really afford much more than this. Let's see how the packaging looks. It's got its tamper-proof seal there. Let's cut that open very carefully. So very carefully. So right off the bat, I am met with the fact that they are indeed vacuum sealed to help preserve the shelf life. I'm not going to open them up. I'll post a picture with this video to show what they look like when opened. And they work in conjunction with the Mira gas masks. Got one of these right here. You can pick these up off of Mira Safety. Something else I want to mention, as far as emergency preparedness goes, I also highly recommend picking up a carbon monoxide detector and having those throughout your home in various areas. Sleeping areas would be probably the most ideal. So anyways, thank you for joining in. If you enjoy this sort of content, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is the Ragnarok Ready family.